lobster roll and sliders. 4 New England-style hot dog buns or something similar, top split for tablespoons, unsalted butter. Soften at own recipe. Lobster salad 1/2 cup Tarragon mayonnaise, 8 strips fully cooked bacon, cut into 1/2-inch pieces for green leaf lettuce leaves, washed, dried, and shredded for dill pickle spears, French fries, or potato chips. Lobster salad. 1/4 pounds fully cooked lobster meat, 1/2 cup Tarragon mayonnaise. Tarragon mayonnaise. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. Tablespoon fresh Tarragon kosher salt to taste, fresh ground pepper to taste. Basil pesto cream sauce. 3/4 cup of half and half-own cup low sodium chicken broth, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, 4 cup traditional basil pesto. Any grocery store carries this. Tablespoon butter, 4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Shrimp scampi pasta. 1 ounce olive oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 4 ounces cooked shrimp, tail off, 1/4 cup seasoned plum tomato, teaspoon fresh basil, 1 ounce white wine, 5 ounces scampi butter sauce, 12 ounces cooked pasta. Baked chicken spinoccoli with ziti pasta and pesto cream sauce. Deep dish pizza. Deep dish pizza.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.